Hello, thank you for joining me today on another Mask Monday. So I saw an ad on Facebook for a company I had never heard of called Grace and Stella, and they had a coupon code that you could link into that would let you get a welcome kit, get to know you kind of kit for, with the coupon code, it was $10.68 total, and it came in a nice bubble mailer. And I'm just going to do a quick kind of unboxing for you to let you know what came in it, and the mask that I'm going to do today, an eye mask, is in here. So let's get started. Okay, so it came in here, and I thought that this was a cute zippered bag, and it has built-in bubble, and then the company name is on the front there. And in the bag was a foot mask, Dr. Pedicure foot exfoliating mask, which I will be doing this month, so keep an eye out for that. And then there was a deep sea mud mask, a deep skin cleanser, a body cream, do your skin a favor, use me, French vanilla, and also a rescue my hair mask, no more hair bad days, made with argan oil. So I'll definitely be trying that out too, because my hair is very dry right now. It's been very cold here. Then you also got a Keep Calm lavender bath ball balm thing, which just is very, very strong. When I opened the packet, you could really smell the lavender. And then also in the kit was 3 eye masks, which is what we're going to use to be trying today. And then you also got, as an extra freebie, is another deep sea mud mask deep skin cleanser. So yeah, I had never heard of this brand, so I'd love to know down below if you have ever heard. Again, it was called Grace and Stella, and I saw a Facebook ad, so thought, well, $10, I'll give it a try. And okay, so these are the mask, and it does say on the back, manufactured 6 of 2018, and expiration is 06 of 2020. So we're good there. You can see there is some liquid in there, and their logo is on the front. Okay, so let's get started. It looks like there's some notches here, and there's no instructions when it comes in this, if you get this welcome pack thing, but I did look online and it sounded basically just like your normal mask. You know, cleanse your face and put it right underneath your eye, and then wait, I think it said 10 to 15 minutes. So, and no need to rinse off. So your pretty standard eye mask stuff. So let's see how they look here. Okay, so it kind of, a tray comes out, but they did come out of the tray. So, okay. So they're jiggly, which is, I've done one other eye mask, I'll link that down below, and they felt this way too. I didn't bring a mirror, so I'm going to use the camera. Okay, ooh, that's very cooling, and oh, it goes on really easy. So I think I got that right. But yeah, very easy to put on, very cooling. Yeah, it feels like it's gonna stick, doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off or anything, so that is nice. And let's just pull the other one out and put that one on. So again, oh yeah, very, very easy to put on. I might have got that one a little too close. There we go. And very smooth. Whoa. Okay, well, I guess you don't want to do that. Okay, so once you put them on, I would say quit, don't mess with them like I was just doing. Put it on and just leave it. So I will be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes, and I will say that they kind of got more cooling as they were on, so that was kind of nice. And I didn't notice any irritations, or they weren't bugging my eyes. I was able to put them on, and I did some stuff around the house, and yeah, I really like them as far as, you know, how they felt on. No irritation, they weren't pulling, don't feel dry, don't feel anything like that. So let's go ahead and take them off. Easy to take off. And it didn't say that you had to rinse or anything, so I'm just gonna assume that you kind of pat it dry. It does, your skin actually feels cold, almost to the touch, almost cold, so it's kind of neat. And I would say that it does look kind of like, I feel like there's brightening underneath here, so I think that that is good. So yeah, no irritations, no nothing. And I mean, I kind of patted it in, but there really wasn't product that you have to rub in or anything. It's not sticky. So I'm very happy with these. I feel like it definitely brightened and I feel ready for the day. So yeah, I'm happy with these. I will definitely use another pair, and I think the next time I have the Skin Iceland ones, I will compare it and maybe do these on one eye and the other, the Skin Iceland on the other eye, and see how they compare. But yeah, for my first impression on using these, I am very happy with them. So I think that those alone are worth the purchase price of this, and I would recommend, you know, from my first impression of these, I would recommend them. I think that they were really nice and I like them. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.